Hi, hello, welcome to One and All. Now let's move to the poem Beyond the Universe.
I hope that you know all the name of the planets in order now. There are 8 planets in our solar system. First one is Mercury, second one is Venus, the third one is Earth, fourth one is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh one is Uranus, eighth one is Neptune. Now, let's learn the poem Beyond the Universe. This is a poem by a little girl who dreams of traveling beyond the universe. She tells her own experience step by step on her voyage beyond the universe. There are 4 stanzas given in the poem. Let's see the first one. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Now, let's learn the meaning of some hard words in this stanza. First one is dream. Imagine something that you would like to happen. Imagine something that you would like to happen. Dream has the another meaning, which is to see or experience pictures and events in our mind when we are asleep. When we are in deep sleep, we see and experience some pictures or events in our mind. That is what called dream, you know very well. Here, we have to take the another meaning to imagine something like to happen, which we would like to happen. Beyond, away from, at a long distance, amidst, in the middle of, in the center of, that is being surrounded by, amidst, in the middle of, in the center of, being surrounded by. Planets, you know very well, heavenly bodies which go around the sun. Planets, heavenly bodies which go around the sun. Countless, which has too many to count, that is unable to count, that is what called countless. Countless, too many, which is unable to count. Red planet, here Mars is called the red planet because it is red in color. Red planet, Mars is called as red planet because it is red in color. Home, away from home. The home which is far away from the original home which is on earth. The home which is situated on the Mars which is far away from the original home on earth. Now let's see the poetic lines. I dream of flying beyond the earth amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Now the first line. I dream of flying beyond the earth. The little girl dreams to fly beyond the earth, that is far away from the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. When she flies beyond the earth, far away from the earth, at a long distance, she is in the middle of, that is in the center of the planets and countless stars. Countless, unable to count, too many numbers, the huge number of stars which is unable to count. When she flies beyond the earth, she is in the middle of the center of all the 8 planets. Okay, all the 8 planets and the countless stars. Countless stars means the huge number of stars which is unable to count. Next, I would stop by the red planet Mars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. She would stop her voyage, that is travel, at the side of the red planet Mars. Mars is called a red planet, isn't it? So at the side of the planet Mars, and she says that here we dream of a home away from home. And she says that we have to dream, imagine to happen. That is, we have to dream to have a home on Mars which is far away from our real home, from our earth. Okay, from our real home which is situated on the earth. Should stop a voyage by the side of at the side of the red planet Mars, and she says that we have to dream to have a home on Mars which is far away from our real home on earth. Where is our real home situated? On earth. So the girl likes to have a home on Mars which is at a long distance from her home on earth. Now let's learn the second stanza. Fly on towards the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Fly on towards the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Now let's learn the meaning of some hard words in this stanza. Fly on, continue to fly. Fly on, continue to fly. Watch, see. Watch means see. Moons. Moons, you know very well, satellites which move around a planet. Moons, satellites which move around a planet. Ring. Here Saturn is called the ringed planet because it has rings around it. Ring. Here Saturn is called a ring planet because it has rings around it. It refers the rings of Saturn. Okay. Jupiter, the biggest planet. Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. Marveled, filled with wonder, filled with surprise, amazed. Okay. Red storm, violent storm with dust which is red in color. Red storm, violent storm with dust which is red in color. Marbles, a kind of stone. Marbles, a kind of stone which the children have some marble stones to play, isn't it? That is what called marbles. And even have you heard the house made of marbles? Okay, so marbles is a kind of stone. This is a picture of red storm on Mars. Look at the red colored. I have marked there. So that is what called red storm formed on Mars. Now the second stanza. Fly on towards the Saturn with its ring and moons. She continues, the little girl continues to fly to see the Saturn with its ring and moon. Saturn is called as ringed planet because it has rings around it. So she continues. She didn't stop her travel to fly and see the planet Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Then she stopped a voyage. She stopped for few minutes near the planet Jupiter and wondered, got surprised by seeing what? By seeing its red storm that looked like marble stones. That kind of stone I said na, marbles, isn't it? So by seeing its red storm which formed on Mars that looked like marbles. So here The red storm which is formed in Mars is said as marbles. It is looking like marbles on Mars. Here she continues to fly to see the Saturn with the ring and moons. Then she stopped her travel near the planet Jupiter and got surprised by seeing its red storms that look like marbles. Now the third stanza. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant, further high I fly beyond the galaxy. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant, further high I fly beyond the galaxy. Now let's learn the meaning of some hard words in this stanza. Hurdling, racing over barriers. Hurdling, racing over barriers. Have you heard a hurdling race? Hurdling, what do we do? While running, we have to jump over some barriers which is found on the track, isn't it? That is what called hurdling race. Likewise, hurdling here, racing over barriers. Belt, belt means a broad strip. Belt, a broad strip. Asteroids, small planets which move around the sun. Asteroids, small planets which move around the sun. Uranus, that is the name of the planet. Uranus, the planet. Without a fuss. Without a fuss means without making unnecessary excitement. Without making unnecessary excitement. Blue ice giant. Here Neptune. They are referring Neptune is a very big blue in color and it is covered with ice. Blue ice giant means Neptune is very big blue in color and it is covered with ice. Here blue ice giant refers the planet Neptune. Further to a greater distance. Further to a greater distance. Beyond, already I told you, far away from at a long distance. Beyond, away from at a long distance. Galaxy, a group of stars. Galaxy, a group of stars. Now let's see the poem. Third stanza. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids. Asteroids, I told you that asteroids are small planets which are moving around the sun. Belt of asteroids means a large number of small planets which look like a broad strip. Okay, which look like a belt. At a distance, if we see something, it looks like all the small planets together, it looks like a belt. That is a broad strip. A large number of small planets are moving around the sun. The little girl races over the barriers of the small planets. Okay, which looks like a belt of asteroids. I crossed Uranus without a fuss. I crossed Uranus without a fuss. The little girl crossed. Crossed means passed. Passed Uranus without making unnecessary excitement, without showing any interest with Uranus. Okay, the little girl crossed Uranus, passed Uranus without making unnecessary excitement. She passed from Uranus to Neptune, which is a big blue colored planet and covered with ice. That is what said in the next line. To Neptune, the blue ice giant. To Neptune, she crossed Uranus to Neptune, which is big in size and blue colored and also covered with ice. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. The little girl, she flies higher, that is to a great distance, which is away from galaxy. Galaxy means a group of stars. A large number of small planets are moving around the sun. She races over the barriers of the small planets, which is said as asteroids. Asteroids means Erikakal, we are telling in Tamil, isn't it? That is what called asteroids, which looks like a belt of asteroids and crossed Uranus without making unnecessary excitement, that is without showing any interest with it, ignoring whatever happens on Uranus. She passed from Uranus to Neptune, which is a big blue colored planet covered with ice. She flies higher, that is to a greater distance away from the galaxy, which is a group of stars. Now let's move to the last stanza of the poem. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies, to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Now let's learn the meaning of some words in the fourth stanza. The first word is creator. Creator, here it refers the God who created everything. Creator is the God who created everything. Magnificent, excellent. Magnificent means excellence. Display, show. Display, show. Milky Way, bright band of stars. Milky Way, bright band of stars stretching across the sky. Milky Way, bright band of stars which is stretching across the sky. Voyage. Voyage means travel. Voyage, travel. Galaxy, group of stars. Galaxy, group of stars. To meet the creator of this magnificent display. To meet the creator of this magnificent display. The girl flies high to meet the creator. Creator is God who made this wonderful, excellent show. All these planets, all this solar system was created by God, isn't it? The girl wants to meet God, okay, who made all these wonderful show. To take me beyond the Milky Way. She likes to ask the Creator, that is God, to take her beyond the Milky Way. Milky Way means, what did I say? Bright band of stars stretching across the sky, to travel across the Milky Way. Okay, away from the Milky Way. Milky Way is a place which has millions of planetary systems in it. Milky Way is a place which has millions of planetary systems in it. Now, after that, to voyage across the galaxies, the girl would like to ask God to take her beyond the Milky Way and also to travel across the galaxies. Galaxies are huge star systems which are made up of stars and large amount of gas and dust held together by the gravitational attraction. Okay, so the girl flies high to meet the creator, that is God, who made this wonderful, excellent show. And she likes to ask God to take her beyond the Milky Way and to travel, and also to travel across the galaxies.
Thank you, children.